from my dad. Care Bear's bedtime there, I think. Moon is there. And look, what is that? And okay. And from my brother, where is it? Wait, okay. So here's eraser. Wait, I will show you what is going on. Okay, so first there is eraser. and okay, he is now nothing but body part. And this one, no. Okay, and this oh no, they have no nose. And and this milkshake, is that milkshake? And nose, wait, nose, where's the nose? Okay, nose, and his hat. Okay. Okay, this is from my brother. And wait. This from my brother, because I don't know if I said it because I caught video. Okay, so I got pencil. This unicorn pencil. Let me show you one of them. Here, this is the blue one, and wait. This is green one. It's the same but other color. Wait. I'll put this back. Okay, this from my brother over there. And colors, because I like color. Wait. And keychain, I don't know what is this. Wait, look, she have hair. And the eraser, I already showed you earlier. And the ribbon. Wait. Clip. Clip. It's just ribbon. From my sister. And it's so big. It's from BT1. I don't know. I forgot the name. And there's some bracelets. I will show it to you. There's the bracelet. It's just the same. So cute. I like bracelet. If you see I fix my jewelry videos full of bracelets. Half of them are like I bought, and some are handmade. This from Godmother Maggie and Barbie bag, and there's nothing inside. I think I put my money there someday. I don't know. And from Kuya Ivan, I like Koromi. And why is there zipper again? And look at that. Yes. And from Ate Raven. And there's zipper again. I don't know why. Their ribbon and wow. And Galaxy again. And oh no, hold on. And he has two face, here and there. Okay. Wait. Okay. And from Godmother Jaya, I will show you what's inside. So here's first pencil case. But I don't know what's outside. No laman. No, not inside. And here's water bottle. I have this when I was in first grade. Let me see what's inside. Wow. Okay. Here. And wait. Where is Applejack? Okay. The flowers are fire and twilight. Where's her? Okay. From Tita Rona, shoes. Wait. Puma. Wow. What was this? I'm repeat. Okay. Yeah. So black shoes. I don't know. Wait. Switch. Okay. In the last video, I forgot to put part 1, so this is part 2. It's okay. I thought this part 2. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.